こんにちは。Today's Tao High Wind 竜としてとどまるなきがごとし Hissing like high wind Never being stopped Chapter 20 Tao is like high wind Hissing all night long We feel like a child who thinks the storm will never end It is a beautiful way to say that Tao is energy constantly in motion. But, like yesterday, we should stop the comparison here. The word energy can be misleading as Lao Tzu thinks that any word is inappropriate to describe Tao. This is the true key to understand Tao. It is what Zen monks call Kan-rei Su, a bar spring. So, please, I beseech you, picture energy without time and space. Can you? Thank you. See you tomorrow for the next line of Tao Te Ching.